Are you bored? Need a hobby? You ever considered model railroading? Well, there you go. That's how you get started. What are you waiting for? Christmas? Go set it up. Every starter set comes with track, cars, and all that to get started. Most of it is in a 14-piece oval. It's only enough to get you started, but some come with switches in order for you to make sidings and all the like. You may need an adult's help. You'll need to set up all the wiring from the track and an outlet. After that, we get to the fun part of it. Setting up the cars has to be one of the more fun and less menial tasks. Make sure the car's wheels are firmly on the rails. You will know this because you will not hear any clacking as they hit the ties. Most starter sets do not come with a lot of cars, probably 3, 4, and a locomotive. Remember, this is only enough to get you started, so do not expect anything fancy, unless you're buying one of the more fancier and more expensive starter sets. After making sure your train is firmly on the tracks and all couples are, well, obviously coupled together, you can actually start with the fun. Well, let's turn this bad boy on and get going. Well, you look like you're having fun. You know you're going to have to add on to this. Yeah, it'll cost some money. Yeah. You broke? Well, don't worry. It doesn't cost too much. I know. No one said it was going to be cheap. And you just might be able to get a few things. Like, you could turn this little starter set into something a little bit more fun. Also, you can get new locos and cars. So you can go from this starter set diesel all the way up to this engine and coaches. Also, before I forget, if you know exactly where to look, you just might be able to find a few rarities you won't find anywhere else.